in Europe now, Just Eat, for example, defaults to drone delivery. They don't default to road-based delivery. So you actually have to work harder to choose road-based delivery. That's a big statement, I think, to how good and how much better drone delivery is.
And that would be in markets where Manna is
Where we
accessible.
are.
Yeah,
Yeah. So they
exactly.
hit
Okay.
our API. If we reply, yes, we can do that, then the consumer
It's
will
the
be given
default.
drone delivery as number one option. Yeah.
You know, I have spent a reasonable amount of time in Europe, but I am most certainly an American. And when I think about the suburban American world, I'm thinking about lawns that are relatively large, kind of flat spaces where
Yeah.
you could land things. My
Yeah.
experiences in Europe they tend to be slightly more dense
Yeah.
living environments. So how does that translate for drone deliveries? Because I can see it working here with our big old backyards, but I'm not sure it's the
Yeah.
same setup.
It's much harder here. So we yet to find a house we can't deliver to. So that's a good thing. And Dublin and Helsinki are extremely dense. Like Helsinki is 90% apartments.
Yeah.
Dublin is really dense, but we can deliver onto a trampoline, and we frequently do. Fun fact, 15% of suburban gardens have a trampoline in them. So we only need about 2 meters wide, flat, inanimate area on which we can deliver. And so in suburban context, we don't have a problem. The real trick is actually delivering in high winds. So we deliver from pretty high up, and we put the bag down. The GPS positioning is one thing, right? You know where you are accurately, but getting the bag where you know the bag needs to be is about flight dynamics and stuff like that. So you couldn't build a business like this in a more difficult place than Ireland because we're an
Famously a
island.
windy
It's
place.
windy, rainy, everything. We get four seasons a day. So we're and we've nails like we're 97% available in Irish weather, which means we're 800% available in any other country, normal
Right,
country.
right, right.
So
No, no.
we're well battle hardened, I would say.
And the proof is kind of in the numbers. Now, you mentioned 300,000 deliveries. When I was reading through your Series B announcement, $50 million announced at the start of April of this year,
Yeah.
you guys have said 250,000 deliveries. So, what's the current pace? Is it over 100,000 a month now? I'm trying to just figure
Yeah,
out how quickly you're growing.
as we add bases now, as we add one base for us, right, is about roughly about 100,000 deliveries annually.
Uh-huh.
And we've added another 10 bases now already here in Ireland. They won't be as productive as US bases. And we've about 40 bases contracted in the United States. So we're aiming rough target about 2 million annualized deliveries by the end of 26. We don't know what our target is for the end of 27, depends on how end of 26 goes. But the whole industry is there. It's kind of ourselves, Zipline, Google, Amazon. We're all throttling up at the same time because of that regulatory kind of change that's happened. And so for us, we can do that with our eyes closed. We could do 10 million deliveries with our eyes closed. It's a matter for us now of just, eating the elephant one bite at a time. And I think the whole industry is moving to a point now where capital is going to drive pace. It's no longer regulatory uncertainty or tech or any of those things, product market fit, all those things. And for us, at least, the difference is, I mean, I think it's fair to say all of the great companies that are doing this are ready to scale and already scaling.
Big cloud providers may offer you cheap compute, but you'll end up paying the difference in engineering costs and hiring extra developers. You don't want to waste time configuring virtual networks, none of us do, or your access policies. You want your team building your product. So it's time to look at Render. Render is the all-in-one cloud platform for developers that allows you to deploy, scale, and secure your apps and agents with zero ops. Most cloud platforms ask you to split your focus between product and infrastructure, or they force you into platform constraints. You know you're going to outgrow in 6 months, but just connect your GitHub repo to Render and you are live. Web services, cron jobs, the whole stack in one platform. It's time to find out why 5 million developers are already using Render. 5 million. Go to render.com/twist and apply for the Render Startup Program. You'll get anywhere from $500 to $100,000 in free credits, depending on your stage and who your backers are. That's render.com/twist.